His 75th birthday, vibrant celebrations unfolded in Maninagar, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. A striking map of India crafted with the flowers and the energetic beats of Garba set to the tone for the occasion. BJP MLA Amul Bhatt and Councillor Karan Bhatt joined the festivities, adding to the local enthusiasm. Amul Bhatt shared, "We are presenting best wishes to the Prime Minister through Namotsav written in the map of India and also playing Garba. Many service events are also being organized on this occasion in the entire country. The celebration blended cultural pride with heartfelt tributes, reflecting the spirit of unity and admiration for the Prime Minister."